Welcome to the Boating Adventure Community Post Channel Update number 30. When I was out on the Swamp Duck last weekend, I noticed that in spite of my best efforts to clean round the bottom of the boat only a few days ago, that there was quite a lot of weed that was forming all around the boat, and it was a kind of hairy, whispery type of weed. And when you tried to brush it off, it literally was like combing hair. It didn't come off, it just styled it. So I thought that I needed to get something that I could perhaps scrape it off carefully. So I went on the internet and typed in long-handled scraper, and lo and behold, there were lots of long-handled scrapers that came up. And so I ordered this one, and it came the following day, and it's got like a little blade on it. So I'm going to have a go at using that this afternoon just to see if I can scrape this weed off, because I really don't want to be carting that around with me. It's going to slow the boat down, and also it doesn't look very nice at all. So this is actually the stuff. This is the weed, and you can see it's like hair, and I've just scraped that off the side of the boat, and I'm going to have to go all the way around it and see if I can clear it. So far, so good. Okay, so that seemed fairly successful. It did scrape off quite easily, and then I just finished it off with a brush, and that's quite good. There's only one bit which is really under the window of the cuddy at the moment on the starboard side, which I couldn't get to, but I'll do that next time I turn the boat round, which hopefully will be maybe next week. There is another addition that I made to the Swamp Duck last week, and haven't used it yet, but maybe at some point it will come in handy. I really thought we ought to carry a boarding plank, so I made one out of 1.5 meters of decking and painted it up blue. So it looks okay. And I've also found somewhere to store the temporary horn so that it's in easy reach should we ever need it. Up to press, it was locked away in a cupboard, and obviously you'd need a week's notice to get it out, so it needed to be somewhere that was easily accessible when you're driving the boat. My next video will come out on Saturday the 3rd of June 2023 at 8 AM, and that's the second part of our visit to the Llangollen Canal when we stayed at the Wrenbury Wharf. So join me at 8 AM on Saturday the 3rd of June for that video. Just like to say a big thank you to all the very kind messages I had in response to my last update. It's very kind of you. Thank you very much, and it's helping to keep my spirits up. So thank you very much for all your support, and do take care.